Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share my Glam Easter home tour for 2022. I hope you enjoy. So guys, I'm going to start in my entryway. You would have remembered from a previous video that I'd done a little makeover here. I love the French provincial and Hampton style of decorating, and I kept the Easter decor very simple.
Never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Who said it'd be easy to be in love? Who said that the sun would always shine? I'm not sure you realize what you are giving up. When did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, Emily, when did you fall?
So we're now in my master bedroom, and I love that I combined the baby blue with the blush pink. I recently made over my fireplace mantle in this beautiful baby pink, and I love it so much.
But Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily.
If I could hear my father's voice, he would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine.
So guys, we're now in my dining room, and again combining the baby blue and baby pink, I've combined them together to do a pretty tablescape. Now these beautiful chargers that I recently purchased from Amazon, and I'll leave them linked for you down below. The most gorgeous baby pink and gold chargers. They also come in other colours, guys, so definitely take a look at them.
Ooh, I'm thinking about you. Ooh,
So on my cake stand, guys, I did a little DIY on that Chanel cake that I'd done in a previous video. All I've done here, guys, is flipped it around and I drew on a little face and I cut out some little rabbit feet, and then I just filled the top of that cake with flowers. So if you'd like to see how I created the actual cake from a cardboard box, I'll leave that video link for you down below.
Till you entered my door, and from that moment I knew that a home is whatever you choose. That's the thing about you. The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in. From that moment I knew that you were all I missed. Baby, it took just one kiss. 'Cause here in your arms I can finally let go. The rest of the
So now we're coming into my kitchen, and guys, this year I absolutely adore my little Kmart bunny wreaths. That's adorable. I knew they'd go perfect on the back of my kitchen stools.
kiss. Many years have gone by, many tears have dried out. I know that I will be with you as long as you still want me to. All the things we've been through, everything that's been you, there isn't anything else that I wish I had done to be true. Yeah, that's the thing about you. The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in. From that moment I knew that you were all I missed. Baby, it took just one kiss. 'Cause here in your arms I can finally let go. The rest of the world is outside when you make sure I'm all you've missed. Baby, it takes just one kiss.
So guys, this year Kmart certainly didn't disappoint when it come to their Easter decor. I cannot walk away from the most adorable, inexpensive Easter decor that Kmart brings out each year. So guys, we're now in my living room. Now, my house is very open plan, so the kitchen, dining room, living room and breakfast area are all in the same space. So what I like to do is I try to make everything flow. And this year I've been so in love with the Hampton style of decorating with lots of blue and white. And I recently picked up these absolutely stunning lamps from Early Settler.
to be easy. So let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind. Trust that. Have what it takes inside. 'Cause you can make it too. If not says who. Yeah, you can make it too. If not says who. You can make it. You had great patience, but something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt.
I feel like my style has evolved this year, guys, with Hamptons and French provincial decor. I love both styles of decorating in that style because they've both got glam touches.
So let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind. Trust that. Have what it takes inside. 'Cause you can make it too. If not says who. Yeah, you can make it too. If not says who. You can make it. And I said, see it in your mind. Trust that. Have what it takes inside. 'Cause you can make it too. If not says who. Yeah, you can make it too. If not says who. You can make it. If not says who. Yeah, you can make it too. If not says who. You can make it. I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb. A tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see the sky when you were close to me. I can't believe what you brought. You took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've enjoyed my Easter home tour for 2022. Don't forget, guys, to give me a big thumbs up. It truly helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love most of all, guys, if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Shel's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.